half a foot went off.
Bottom match number 1. Miss Texas and Jamie Dundee. Dundee ripped Miss Texas into a big elbow. Takes Miss Texas down. Team. We had a match last week against Hurricane Hatchet and Moose, Texas. Take a look at just some brief highlights right here. Hatchet trying to tag Moose, Texas, and he's down! Here comes Moose, Texas. What a few right away on PG-13. Moose, Texas. Oh, boy. KWPD's got Moose, Texas over here. Comes off the top rope with that upcap. Oh, I tell you, KWPD covers in 3. PG-13 is here. Got something to say, okay?
Something to say.
All right.
And it's to the P, to the G, to the 1 and the 3. That means JC Ice and Sir Wolfie D. We ain't playing no games, so you better beware. You don't like us, so what? We really don't care. But you know, I'm 185 pound more bounce for the ounce. You got that, punk? That's what counts. But you see, I'm something missing. It's the Iceman's gold. Danny Davis, you robbed me of my gold, my brother. You robbed the Iceman of his gold. You see, robbed. I did. We got robbed. We've been robbed. That's right. Somebody called the police. And then you out here trying to embarrass me and make me wrestle women. This is the wrestling world. Women shouldn't even be around.
Wait a minute. We went all through this. This is the 90s. Women can compete in the middleweight division, and the USWA has been applauded for that decision.
Right, and women can get beat down like the punk that she is, or he is. You know? What you mean, man? What you mean, man? What's your mouth?
You know, Miss Texas had a few words. Would you like to hear what she had to say?
What you got to say?
Let's do this right here.
What you got to say?
I'd be embarrassed because I don't respect you as a man or a wrestler, because every time we step in the ring, you either have Wolfie D in your corner or you use a hubcap on me. But this week, I got the opportunity to use a hubcap on you. And when I do, I'ma nail you in the head every time, because you nothing but a punk and I'm a punk slapper.
The hubcap's going to be on a pole this week, and whoever gets it can use it, not just you and Wolfie D.
Yeah, well, see, now she's coming to my backyard playing my kind of game. You see, Miss Texas, there ain't nothing I like better than capping somebody, and you know what I mean by capping somebody, my little sister. So you come on down here, because I'm going to slap you around like the man that you are, my girl. What about you, Wolfie D? What's up?
Yeah, I got that match with Danny Davis.
For the belt.
Yeah,
For the belt. It's coming back to PG-13. That's all I got to say, G.
All right, they've had their say. It's going to be a hubcap on a pole match, Miss Texas against JC Ice. Jamie Dunn.